everyone. I'm Divya, your math facilitator. In this video, I'm going to give you the details of the reduced syllabus for Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so very clearly, I'm going to tell you which exercises you will have to study for your examination for this year board examination and which exercises are deleted for you. Right? So let's start the session. And before that, do like the video and share the channel with all your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I have also made a strategy video on how to prepare for your board exam. So if you have missed watching it, do watch it. I'll just pin it up here in the I button, so you can click on the I button and watch that video too. Come on, let's get started. So yes, here it is. So I will give you chapter wise which chapters you have it for your examination. Okay, which exercises also. So chapter 1, you have exercise 1.2 and 1.5 for your examination. Okay, exercise 1.2 and 1.5 you have for your examination, right? So yes, now linear equation, this is real numbers. You have exercise 1.2 and 1.5. Now linear equations, chapter 4, you have page number 73 and 74, and you have tried this of page 75. Okay, and quadratic equation, I'll also tell you how to study. Okay, quadratic equation, you have exercise 5.1 only, right? Yes. So next chapter is progressions. You have page number 128. You have tried this. Okay, just the introduction you have. Okay, next coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, you have exercise 7.1 and 7.2. Okay, and triangles. Now the exercises which I am writing here are only there for your examination. Okay, the other exercises you don't have. Triangles, you have only exercise 8.4, question number 1 to 8. Okay, only exercise 8.4, question number 1 to 8 you have it for your examination. All other exercises are deleted. Now next is mensuration. Mensuration, you have page number 245 and 246. No exercises also. Okay, next is trigonometry. Don't worry, I'll tell you. I'll again analyze and tell you. Okay, trigonometry 11.1, 11.2, 11.3, 11.4. That means trigonometry full chapter you have it for your exam. Then application of trigonometry. You have first 4 pages. Application of trigonometry, you have only first 4 pages, right? Only the first 4 pages. That means you have only introduction. Okay, next is probability. You have exercise 13.1. Okay, probability only exercise 13.1 you have. Next we have sets chapter. Exercise 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 and 2.4. That means full chapter you have for your examination. Next is polynomials. You have exercise 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. Okay, 3.4 you don't have. Next is tangents and secants. Chapter, you have exercise 9.1, 9.2. That means full chapter you have. Here also almost full chapter you have. Okay. Next is statistics. You have exercise 14.1, 14.2, 14.3. You don't have graphs exercise. Okay, you don't have graphs exercise. Clear? Okay, so I gave you details of all the chapters. Okay, these are all the chapters which you have, and exactly only these exercises you have. And suppose now let us see these chapters. Now just see these chapters like this chapter. Real numbers, you have only 2 exercises. In real numbers, you have 2 exercises. Okay, in linear equations, you don't have any exercises. Okay, so no exercises. There are no exercises in linear equation. Only try this you have. Just the first page introduction 73 and 74, and try this. Only 5 or 6 try this you have. So if you have a basic knowledge, this is only basic knowledge of linear equation, you can happily leave this chapter. Then quadratic equation, only one exercise you have. Okay, only one exercise. Now progressions also you have only the introduction. See, only try this of page 128 and only introduction you have. So if you can read only the introduction, just the basic, just you have to know what is progression. That is enough for you. What is progression? What are the basic term of progression? It is enough. So deep, in-depth problem solving is not given. Okay, so you can happily eliminate this chapter. Only the basic. One day you can just learn the basic. This also in one day you can learn linear equation basic. This also in one day you can learn. Now coordinate geometry, you have two exercises. Okay, third and fourth you don't have. Triangles also exercise 8.1, 8.2, 8.3 and the theorems related to this, all this you don't have. You have only exercise 8.4. 8.4 you have only one theorem, okay, and only question 1 to 8. So very basic, very basic. In 2 days you can learn this. Okay, only one exercise, that also half exercise. In 2 days you can learn. Mensuration, you have only 2 pages. Only the introduction you have. This is only introduction. Okay, so this also you can learn in one day. You can leave this chapter completely. Just see the introduction, leave this chapter completely. Then trigonometry, you will have to learn full chapter. Okay, application of trigonometry, you have only first 4 pages. That means only introduction you have. Okay, so you can learn this chapter in 2 days. Introduction, first 4 pages you can learn in 2 days. Right? Next you see, probability, you have one exercise, you will have to learn this one exercise. Sets, you will have to learn the entire chapter, full chapter. Polynomials, you have 3 exercises, you will have to learn them. Tangents also full chapter you have. Statistics also only one exercise, you don't have. Almost all full chapter you have. Okay, now the chapters which you can happily skip is linear equation, this progressions, and yes, triangles you have half exercise only. Okay, so triangles also I'm including in this list, you have only half exercise. And then mensuration, and yes, application of trigonometry. So all these chapters, now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 5 chapters, if you know the basic, concept, okay, basic concept, it is enough. Basic concept, basic introduction, it is enough. Okay, here in triangles, so you will have to learn exercise 8.4, only 1 to 8 questions. So basic concepts and basic introduction of these 5 chapters will be enough. So plan your preparation accordingly. Okay, so these are the only topics which are included in your syllabus, and these are the only topics from which you will get questions in your board examinations. So plan it, and also share this video to all your friends in your class, and also don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new. Thanks for watching.